Now that we have understood how NPS investments work, let's look at when and how subscribers can access their NPS funds. NPS investment matures when subscriber attains superannuation age. In case of this normal exit, subscriber must reinvest 40% or more of the accumulated corpus into an NPS annuity plan, which ensures the regular pension. The balance can be withdrawn as a lump sum or in phases through systematic lump sum withdrawal. In case the final corpus is 5 lakh rupees or less, subscriber can withdraw the entire amount in a lump sum. At this point, subscriber can choose to defer annuity purchase for 3 years. Subscriber can also choose to continue investing till the age of 75 years. In case the subscriber wishes to withdraw some amount before maturity, they can take out partial withdrawals. These can be taken only after 3 years of joining NPS, can be up to 25% of the self-contributed amount, can be made maximum 3 times in the entire tenure, and only in cases of predefined emergencies, as listed by PFRDA. Subscribers can exit NPS before their superannuation. In case of such a premature exit, subscriber must reinvest at least 80% of accumulated corpus into annuity, and the remaining 20% can be withdrawn as a lump sum. In case the final corpus is 2.5 lakh rupees or less, subscriber can withdraw the entire amount as lump sum. In the unfortunate case of death before maturity, nominees or legal heirs can withdraw the accumulated corpus as lump sum. As for the Tier 2 account, contributions and returns accumulated here can be accessed by the subscriber anytime. There are no restrictions on withdrawals, and subscriber gets the entire amount as lump sum on exit.
Subscribe to Better Future and Secured Retirement.